Okay, we've let this set up overnight. Let it get a good bond on this here. We've also added 1 5/8" screws in here. This just helps to reinforce it, keeps it together better. So what we're going to do is we need to cut this back piece off. So you want to make sure you mark your sides, like left and left on this side, right and right on this side. Make sure you mark it in both spots, because we're going to cut this off. Same thing here, we have a left side marked and a right side marked. So we keep this together properly the way we want it. So we line this up where it goes. And we'll mark this across here. And this is our left. So you want to make sure you mark your side piece here that it's going in there right, because you can put it in there upside down and it's going to fit, but it's not going to fit correctly. So make sure you have this going in the right position here. So we're going to cut this off, then we'll attach these two pieces on here, and then this is what you'll be able to take on and off if you ever have to get inside to make any kind of repairs. So we're going to cut this. When we cut this off, we're going to take it and sand this down inside and out, smooth it up some, and then we'll be back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put them in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.